it's a very small portable device. Thank you so much, and I request the delegates to please join back on the stage, and other people to please take your seats.
Hi everyone. We are very happy to launch the first and the only laser called EndoliftX, which is mainly for anti-aging. In the treatment of the EndoliftX to delay the aging work or to target specific area of bucket of hand to remove them and then turn back the block by 3 years. இது வந்து very well renowned the product all over the world, made in Italy, launching this first time in India. இது வந்து after so many years of experience in this particular aesthetic industry, Spectra, we are in the market for the last 20 years and in this field from 1997. So we have to be very selective in identifying the right product for our skin type. Any indication of the pigmentation or added skin resurface, anti-aging treatment, we should work for our skin type. Our skin type, Indian skin type, which should work. So we do a lot of research and identify the right product which are available all over the world. It works safely and effectively for our skin type, and we are launching them in India. So a lot of products we launched in the last 20 years, and this is something very unique, mainly for anti-aging. Any part of the body, face or arms or body, tummy or legs or thighs or wherever we have loose skin, we can work on this, tighten the skin or remove small packets of fat from that area. 70 nanometer diode laser, which is absorbed by water, and this laser is delivered to a fiber optic cable. Normally, fiber optic cable is very flexible, but at the same time very fragile also. It breaks very easily. But this particular fiber optic cable, even though the size is very small, flexible, and it is like 200 microns, 300 microns spots, size of the fiber, it doesn't break. So we don't need any needle or cannula to make a hole to go inside the skin. We use the same fiber to penetrate into the skin and pass 14-17 nanometer laser inside the skin, which is absorbed by water, so that it can denature the collagen and it can burn the fat cells inside the skin, and it gives a natural look. We are not putting any foreign body inside. No injectables, no products which we are putting inside. We are allowing the body to naturally do the wound healing process and create new collagen. That's how it works on anti-aging.
What is this? Retirement.
Yeah. So there is absolutely no downtime in this treatment. The patient may feel mild tickling sensation for 2 days or 3 days, but there's not much discomfort. Absolutely no downtime procedure. And it's like a once in a year or once in 1.5 years kind of treatment. They don't need to go and do the treatment like any other lasers, but they have to do once in a month or once in 2 months.
This discussion is, I'm going to ask some very simple questions and they will try to assess the various other non-surgical devices which you might have in your clinic for skin tightening, and how about the efficacy of this.
We're here for the launch of EndoliftX. Should I speak in Tamil or English?
I think use mix.
First, 4 important reasons why EndoliftX is very special. One, it is minimally அப்படின்னா ஒன்றுமே உள்ள எதுவுமே செலுத்துறது இல்லை. மினிமலி இன்வேசிவ்னா minimal into the body, we go inside but not creating big scar. So first big advantage வந்து ஒரு surgical facelift பண்ணோம்னா ஒரு anti agingக்கு பெரிய தழும்பு இருக்கும், ஒரு 10 நாள் லீவ் எடுக்கணும், அதுக்கப்புறமா ஸ்வெல்லிங் இருக்கும், வேற காம்ப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் வரலாம். அதெல்லாம் இல்லாமல் மினிமலி இன்வேசிவாக பண்ணுறது தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அட்வான்டேஜ் ஆஃப் திஸ் ப்ரொசீஜர். செகண்ட் வந்து dual action வேணும். இந்த சிம்பிள் டெக்னிக்ல ஸ்கின்னை டைட் பண்றது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் சைமல்டேனியஸாக ஃபேட் லைசிஸும் பண்ணும். ஸோ நம்ம வயசாகும் போது ஏரியாஸில் இருக்க டிஷ்யூஸ் வந்து சேக் ஆகுது. அது வந்து ஒரு இடத்துல இருக்கிறது இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு வருது. ஒன்று அதை நம்ம திருப்பி அதே இடத்துக்கு கொண்டு போகணும், இல்லைன்னா அதை வந்து நம்ம சுருக்கணும், குறைக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி குறைக்கிறதுக்கு கட் பண்ணி எடுக்கிறதுக்கு பதிலாக நம்ம பொசுக்கிறது ஒரு ஹீட் பண்ணுறது தான் அந்த ஃபேட் லைசிஸ். சைமல்டேனியஸ்லி பயோஸ்டிமுலேஷன், அந்த கொலாஜின் இலாஸ்டின் இன்டியூஸ் பண்ணால் ஸ்கின் திரும்பி டைட் ஆகுது. அது செகண்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். மூணாவது குயிக்காக வரணும், லாங் லாஸ்டிங்காக வரணும், திருப்பி பண்ணக்கூடாது, பட் ஆனால் ரிசல்ட் வேணும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி பேஷண்ட் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன் ரேட் வந்து ரொம்ப ஹை. Most important is a growing market, non-invasive market or minimally invasive market. 2023 la it's about especially in skin tightening rate pathina it's around 1 billion. Prediction vande by around 2035 we are 2030 we are expecting it to grow to about 1.63 billion, almost double our growth. So in the demand irukudhu. So these are the major advantage why this is going to stand out. But of course technology wise neenga pathina
then maybe do a volume restoration with a filler, then surface treatments like the other devices that I have like MNRF and HIFU, they mainly work at the surface level of the epidermis and the dermis. They also do collagen remodeling but in the superficial area of the skin. And last we would finish up with a neurotoxin like Botox, which is for reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. So as a combination with other therapies also, it is very good because you can treat the skin at so many different levels, right from the deeper tissue to the superficial level.
Thank you.
Once they understand how it works and they have some fun with it, they all love it. So I'm sure the same is going to happen here in India. I can already see 3 happy customers here. I'm very proud of that. I already saw some before and afters also, which I'm sure they're proud of. So I think it's a bright future for Endolift in India. Absolutely.
This is my last question to the panel.
Yeah, so the main indication, anti-aging or a specific indication, it does that great job. So as I mentioned, we started doing anti-aging treatment equipment supply from 2005, so almost 20 years of experience in this. But this is going to be something very different, very unique, and if now the market awareness is there, everybody wants to look young, everybody wants to delay their aging, everybody wants to turn back the clock by 2 years or 3 years. So I feel that's a great potential, and we have a right product which is FDA approved, which is in India also we have all the approvals necessary to supply, as well as Dr. mentioned, we are supplying to only medical professionals who are very well trained in this equipment. So it's one of the very safe treatment to do, and we see a great opportunity in India.